Now see. Okay, see here we have this in this second part. In second part we have capacitor, then parallel plate capacitor, parallel plate capacitor. Then we have that is capacitor with dielectric medium. So capacitor with dielectric medium. Capacitor with dielectric medium. Okay, that we have to study. After that, we have a series, combination of capacitors. Combination of capacitors. We have series and parallel. Combination of capacitors. One is series. The second one, the first one is series. The second one is parallel. Okay. And last one is what? Energy stored in a capacitor. Okay. Energy stored in a capacitor. These are the topics to be done. Okay. Finish. Last is after this comes Van de Graaff generator. Van de Graaff generator is not very low. Okay. Clear? Is that clear? So this is important. This topic is very important. Dielectric concept is very important. That I will teach. Now, as this two we have already completed before. This we have done before. Now,
energy stored in capacitor, is that the one with like dielectric medium in between, or is that?
Yeah, energy stored. I will tell you that both. Last is there. Last we have small topic in that we will add. Okay, dielectric. Now, starting with the dielectric medium. See here, what is the formula? Now suppose capacitor to dielectric. Capacitor or capacitance. Okay, capacitance with dielectric. Capacitance with dielectric. It's very interesting also. See now. So here we have, I'm writing for suppose this is a capacitor man. Okay. This is the positive plate and this is the negative plate. What is a capacitor? Capacitor is a component which stores electric energy in the form of electric field. It's a capacitor. Capacitor is a component which stores electrical energy in the form of electric field. Understood? Now, so this is a positive plate and negative plate, and there is a air medium in between. Okay, there is a air medium in between. Air medium between both the plates. Is that clear? Is it clear? So A is the area of the plate, and D is the distance between the two plates. D is the distance between the two plates. So what is the formula we have written? We have written C0 is equal C0 for air ambient. This is for air medium. Okay, C0 is the air medium for air medium. C is equal to what? C is equal to Q by V. Okay, C0 is equal to Q by V0 ampere. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we have here E is equal to what? Suppose there is a plate. Okay, there is a plate here. There is a plate here. These are the charges on the plate. Okay, these are the charges on the plate. So what is the formula we have taken according to the flux formula? Phi is equal to Q by V. Okay, sorry, phi is equal to Q by epsilon 0. So Q by epsilon 0, which is derivative equation 1, and phi is equal to what? E dot A. Okay, this is the second one. Is that clear? Yes. So we are taking 1 and 2. We are equating 1 and 2. So what will happen when you equate 1 and 2? So we get here Q by epsilon 0 equal to what? E into E. Okay, cross multiply this. E is equal to what? Q by A epsilon 0. What is A by epsilon? Q by A, sigma by epsilon. Understood now? So sigma is what? Sigma equal to Q by A. Is that clear? Yes, sir. Sigma equal to Q by A. So E is equal to sigma by epsilon 0. Now what we are going to do now? We have the relations. This is the we can write here. I'll write A and B. Okay, better. This is A, this is B. I'll write A equal to B. Okay? Or small a, small b like this, so that it won't be confused. Or I write 1 and 2 like this. Small one. So
how is it E?
So from one.
E dot yes.
E dot A. Okay, this is the equation number 1. Let this be equation number 2 now. Okay, we have relation between, what is the relation between E, B and E?
B is equal to E.
Yeah, relation between B and D. Okay, B and D is what? B is equal to ED. Okay, B is equal to ED. So for A medium it will be B0 is equal to E0 into D. Is that clear?
So
B0 is equal to E0 into D. Why? Because it is air medium.
Yeah, okay.
For air or vacuum we are taking B0 and E0. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what will be the answer now? So here C is equal to what? we have E. What is V0? V0 is equal to sigma by epsilon 0 into D. Okay, is that clear? Now substitute this, let it be equation number 3. Now substitute, what you will substitute, what is that? Substitute 3 in 1. Okay, substitute 3 in 1. What you will get now? C0 is equal to what? C0 is equal to Q by
D.
sigma D by epsilon 0. Okay,
Sir, how is E0 sigma by epsilon 0?
so what is E0? E0 is equal to C. Q by A is what? Sigma.
That's only E, right?
Surface charge density. Sigma is surface charge density. So Q by A is what? Q by A is sigma. Sigma by epsilon 0. So what we are getting now? We are getting here C0 is equal to what? C0 is equal to Q into epsilon naught by sigma into D. Is that clear? Okay, or can we cut it? Can we cut it?
Sigma will be Q by.
Yeah, sigma is equal to Q by A. Can we write like that?
Yeah.
So we will write that Q by Q into D by A epsilon 0. Okay. So Q and Q will go away and we are remaining with what? C0 is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Is that clear? This is the first equation. This is for air medium. Okay. This is for air medium. Now suppose there is we are placing a dielectric medium between the two plates of the capacitor. What is a dielectric medium? What is dielectrics? Dielectrics is what? It has dipoles. It has dipoles in it. And when you place a dielectric material between the two plates of the capacitor, what will happen? Or between when you place the dielectric medium in the presence of electric field, what will happen? All the dipoles will be arranged in the direction of the electric field. Okay. So once again, see here. This is the electric. This is the dipole. These are the dipole. This is positive, negative, like this. Positive, negative. It's like this. Okay. Positive, negative. Now negative, positive. When electric field is 0. When you place the electric field here, what will happen? So all the dipoles will be arranged in this pattern. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Understood now? This is a
Developmentally closer the direction.
yeah. When this happens, what is called the dielectric material. Because it has dipoles in it. The electric material has dipoles in it. So when you place this dielectric material in the presence of electric field, what will happen? They all align in the direction of the field. All the positive poles will align in the direction of the field. Now what happens is you are going to place a dielectric material between the two plates of the capacitor. Because electric field is moving from where? Electric field moves from positive charge to negative charge, right? It moves from positive charge to negative charge like this. Yeah, that we studied in the chapter 1. The same thing. Now, what you are doing is when you place a dielectric material between the two plates of the capacitor, so what will happen? All the negative plate, all the dipoles will be arranged inside. So all negative will be formed here, and all positive will be formed. Understood now? So all positive will be formed. Is that clear? So now the new surface charge density is not the same like old one. It is changed now. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now it is new one. That is not maybe the new one is sigma. Yes, please. So now here we have what? Now the new sigma is equal to what? Sigma by k. The fraction. But k is the dielectric constant. K is dielectric constant. K is dielectric constant. Understood? Next, every like for just go. Just go. So k is the dielectric constant. K is 3 for k. This is for k is 3 for 5. And this is for 6 it is 5. And it is k is equal to infinity.
Okay. You don't have you know you okay.
Okay.
No,
Please be quiet. I'm recording the class. Please be quiet so that those who are absent they can attend the. Please. So now C is equal to. Okay. Yes, please.
You should do no.
Please.
No.
Yes, please. So now, the new electric sheet, what will happen now? Yes, please. Now here, see, this is for the air medium. For for air medium, what happened? See, this is a plate of the capacitor. C0 is the air medium, so C0 is equal to Q by V0. And using the Gauss law and electric flux formula, we have two formulas. We are equating both of them. We got E is equal to sigma by epsilon. That already we got. Now, relation between E and V is V0 is equal to E0 by D. Cross multiply, we will get C0 is equal to epsilon naught A. Now, what if I place a dielectric material between the two plates of the capacitor? So what will happen when I place a dielectric material? When I place a dielectric material between the two plates of the capacitor, what will happen? The dipoles, all the dipoles will be arranged in the direction of the electric field. In the direction of the electric field. So what will happen now? All the terms will change now. Is that clear? So the electric field will not be same now. So here electric field, the new electric field. So let it be E0 for air medium and let it be E0. For with dielectric medium. Okay, so it is E is equal to what? Sigma minus sigma P by epsilon. What is sigma P now? Sigma P is for surface charge density. Okay, surface charge density of polarized medium. Polarized means because of this we got the new one. So what happened? The new electric field is what? Sigma minus sigma P by epsilon 0. Understood now? The new electric field is not the same like old one. For old one it was sigma, but new one is what? Sigma P. What is sigma P? If this is sigma due to air medium, sigma P is due to the dielectric medium. Understood? Is that clear? Yeah. So why there is separation? Because this fellow is intercepting the electric field which was going. Understood now? So it is what? E is equal to sigma minus sigma P by epsilon 0. Now what is V? V is equal to ED. Okay, this is with dielectric medium. Okay, so for air medium everywhere it is V0 E0. Okay, for air medium and all it is V0 and E0. Now for with dielectric medium it is not like that. It is converting as it is with dielectric medium. So what will happen now? V is equal to ED, right? This is the relation. What is ED? What is E? V is equal to sigma minus sigma P by epsilon 0 into D. Is that clear? Sigma minus sigma P by D. Now, what is sigma P? See, it is some fraction. See, what is the relation between sigma and sigma P? Sigma P is some k times some fraction of sigma. Is that clear? Sigma P is some fraction. Maybe it can be 2 times, it can be 3 times, it can be 1 by 2, it can be 1 by 3. Got it? Yeah. So sigma is, what is sigma P? Sigma P is, here we have sigma P is equal to sigma P by
They bow down and put it like this so that they can see the endpoint.
Yeah. Oh. So congratulations all of you. So those who got the titles. Okay. So what are you? What did you get? What is it? Heritage.
They see me from our side of the school. And for example, they won't see. It will blend in with the jacket.
Yeah, good, very good. So we can tap. Yes. So put some pin or something, some clip so that it won't fall.
Yeah, that's
Like
over here, right?
I hear it so that
To us,
here
name it to wise house.
like this. See, those who are having this diagram. So see here.
Show the guys.
Here I play a clip, so you have to put that into it. So it won't fall. Now,
Around the school club.
yes, sir. Let me go ahead. Okay, let me go ahead. So what happens is sigma P is equal to sigma minus this value. Okay. So how can we write now? Some k times of sigma we can take. Okay, we can write like this also. Okay, sigma by k we take. So V is equal to what? Sigma minus sigma by k by epsilon 0 into D. Okay. So what is the next formula? C is equal to Q by V. So when we write C is equal to Q by V, C0 is equal to what? C0 is equal to Q by V. What is Q by this V? sigma minus sigma by k by epsilon 0 into d. When you simplify this one, what do we get now? C is equal to what? C is equal to we get k times of c. When you simplify this, okay. The simplification is like this again. We have to open the sigma. What is sigma? Sigma is q by a. In the place of sigma, you write q by a. Again q by a. Simplify it. When you simplify it, you will get k times of c naught. What is k times? What is c naught? Epsilon naught k times of. We get like this. K times of epsilon 0 a by d. So we can write this value as c is equal to what? K into c. Understood now? Means what happens when you introduce a dielectric medium between the two plates of the capacitor, the capacity of the capacitance will increase. Okay, this is not given in the book. This I took from some other book. For paper, if you introduce paper and mica and conductor, conductor is infinity. Why it is infinity? Why for the conductor it is infinity?
K value is everything.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just because you can take how much of a charge is
Yes,
we are connected inside connector.
yeah, means listen. If you use a conductor, all the electrons are flowing through. This is not stopping, right? When you keep some between the two plates of the capacitor, electrons are directly flowing from one plate to another plate. Understood? Non-stop. Is that clear? Nothing is stored. When you are trying to add, it is flowing. Got it? So that is why we say K is infinity for conductor. Got it? And K doesn't have any units. It's only a ratio. K is not having any units. Okay? Copy this one. So this we have completed. Now I am going with capacitor combination series parallel then energy source. Finish. Okay? Speed up here. Substitute the above values in equation 1. Substitute the above values in equation number 1. So what will happen now? So here we so what we will get q by cs equal to q by cs is equal to q by c1 plus q by c2 plus q by c3. Okay. Now take q common. It will become 1 by cs is equal to q by c. Take q common here. It will become 1 by c1 plus 1 by c2 plus 1 by c2. Okay. So q and q will go away. Answer is what? 1 by cs is equal to 1 by c1 plus 1 by c2 plus 1 by c3. Okay. So this is the final formula. When the capacitors are connected in series. Now there are n number of capacitors. For n number of capacitors. What is the formula for n number of capacitors? The formula is what? 1 by cs equal to what? 1 by c1 plus 1 by c2 plus dash up to 1 by cn. This is the second one. Now if all the values are same, if all the capacitors are equal, what will be the formula now? If they are all equal, 1 by cs equal to what? 1 by c plus 1 by c plus dash 1 by c. So it will become what? 1 by cs will become what? It will be equal to n by c. So implies cs is equal to c by n. Understood now? cs is equal to c by n. Once again from the beginning. See, listen here. Once again from the beginning. Now, capacitors in series means if the capacitors are connected one after the other, then they are said to be in series. And this is a small cell like a battery. We say, what is battery? Battery means group of cells make a battery. Group of cells make a battery. This is only a cell. Okay, a cell is connected to all the 3 capacitors which are in series. Now, the voltage of the cell is V, and the capacitor values are C1, C2, and C3. And voltage of the capacitor is V1, V2, V3, and charge of the capacitor is Q and Q. Okay, it's same charge is stored on all the capacitors. Now V is equal to what? V1 plus V2 plus V3. That is V is equal to add all the values. So as per the capacitance formula, C is equal to Q by V, C1 is equal to Q by V1, C2 is equal to Q by V2, C3 is equal to Q by V2. Cross multiply all and then substitute all the values in equation number 1, we'll get this one. Take Q common. After that, cancel the Q, then we will get this one. But if there are n number of capacitors, not instead of 3 capacitors, there are n number of capacitors, then we write the formula. And if all the values are same, then we write 1 by C R. So when you simplify this 10 by C cross multiply, you get CS is equal to C by N. Is that clear of you? Okay, copy this one.